Hi everyone, welcome to Paxalia channel. Today I am incredibly excited to give you a complete tour of Paxalia. What it has, what it do, what it could do for you, what features it have. So today we would go a complete tour around the Paxalia app, so you know it better and more complete. First I would answer 4 most common questions, and then we would go throughout each feature Paxalia has, and I would say a complete detail about that. After this video you would completely know the version 2.5.1 of Paxalia. Let's don't waste the time and go for it. What is Paxalia? Paxalia is a highly advanced productivity tool that helps you just in one app have a lot of features, like rich text note editor with a lot of features, or HTML with CSS pages that you could build a website page in the app. Wow. And share it with others in a community, like think you are a student and want to share a note with your teacher. It is very excited feature we would discuss about later. Goal with Goalbooks, timer with timelines, so you could track every second of your work, so you know completely where you are spending your time with timelines. Events with alarms, workspaces, teamwork with members, and a lot of other features. You would know it better in the end of the video. What does this name mean and why I created it? So the Paxalia name gets from a Pax that is in Latina, that means inner calm and peace. The reason I chose this name because I would like that when users are using this app have a peace when using this app and like to use this app. That's another reason the app has 8 handcrafted themes, so it get matched with your mood. And why I created this because the Paxalia was my first ever project, that when I see the first ever build, I see that I could also do massive things, and then everything starts. Little by little, version by version, we get better. And now you are seeing the version 2.5.1, but it has 10 versions I work on it. After I see a good version, I release it to work, so we could go with each other and have a very better experience of the app, and also others could use it. It has a long story I would discuss about in the next videos. If you like it, comment it. Why should someone switch to Paxalia? Because Paxalia handles everything simultaneously. Your timer, your timeline, events, alarms, HTML, CSS pages, community, shareable, workspaces, and a lot of other features. Everything you need. And also we care about our users. That's because you would see features in Paxalia that you never seen in any other apps, like add ideas. We create a dedicated page in the site so users could directly send us their ideas, what they want, and other users discuss about them, and we would create everything you want. And also you would see other pages like sponsorship, contact, or community. That's because we want always to connect with our users. Is a platform with this much features actually secure? Yes, and we don't just say that. We care about that. That's because we have rate limit, 2-factor authentication, JWT instead of a simple API key, HTTPS, Cloudflare, DDoS protection, and a lot of other securities we have that you could see in a site main page, and also for more detail you could see the security page in the site. In fact, we run a continuous security challenge that if you even find a one tiny bug, we would give you a account lifetime premium. So even if you find a simple security bug, we would give you a lifetime premium as a thank you. Now let's jump over to my desktop and go through every section of the application. Workspaces. So every feature of the Paxalia is around the workspace. You could have your workspace for anything, gym, job, personal, or anything you want. So you have every feature isolated in workspaces for each of your section of the life. That's a powerful thing. Each workspace has its own customized color, emoji, description, and title. And also you could invite your friends into your workspace. So like a team, you could all work around something. Timer with timelines. The feature is that you could start the timer and attach timelines to your timer. And when you upload it, you could see the full history, the durations, the stop times, the timelines you work in. You could also in the dashboard of your workspace see the details of the time you work in a date before, and also the deep detail, like when you start the time, when you end it, how much was the duration, what timelines you work in that time on. That's something really powerful. So you could know every part of your life and the time you spend with detail. Also the timelines has history, so you could see when, how much, where you spend time on that timeline. Timelines could work like separate things for you, like for coding, for developing, for running, for gym, for exercising, for anything you could have a timeline. Goals and Goalbooks. The next feature is goal and Goalbooks. Instead of the simple goals, you could have a goals in Goalbooks. So you could create Goalbooks with its own goals per category. And in your Workspace dashboard, you could see the milestone, how much you complete the goals you plan. Rich text note editor. Another feature Paxalia have is notes. You could have notes with colors, directions, alignments, paper color, bold, italic, font size, fonts, and lot of other features like export, import, markdown, HTML, and over 4 templates for your notes. 3 scale timing. This is our unique feature that give you a 3 scale timing over the year, month, or day, that you could grid your timing cards into slots. If you select the year view, you would see 12 slots that is shown the months for you. Each slot is a month that you could place your timing card into that. If you select the month, you would see up to 32 slots that show the per day for month details. If you even select the days, you would see 24 slots that it represents to 24 hour of the day. Each slot is an hour of your day. Also, timing slots have their title, description, start, stop time, total time, and a custom color you could set for each of your cards. Daily summary. To keep track of everything you do, you could use summaries to log everything you do. Summaries are based on pre-shape of spotlight task, standard operation, and side quests. That for each summary you could set a title, description, and set its importance to the 3 level spotlight, standard, or side quest. Events and custom alarms. You could set recurring events that let you know 1 week, 1 hour, even 1 minute before the deadline. And combine it with custom alarms would give you a huge feature. Live pages. The feature, I think you would like it very much. Live pages is a feature that with HTML and CSS you could create your own pages and even make them shareable via a link to others, and also see that in your dashboard. So in your dashboard you could create your own pages in any shape you want. That's fantastic. Real-time workspace group chat. Because we care about our users, we add the group chat feature, so you could get connection with your team in the work simpler. The analytics dashboard. A dashboard that shows you everything you need to see, the totals of your workspace, members, notes, goals, pages, alarms, events, and also the log activities. So you could have a complete review of what you have and what you do. The community hub. Paxalia also have a community hub, show the shareable notes and pages that users enable show in community. When they make it shareable, that make a very good community hub for the users, that they could see what others do, how much the Paxalia features have power, and anyone could explore this big library from users for users. The settings section. In the settings section you have a lot of features like personalization, theme or languages, see the devices that currently connected to your account, or even the updates with a good release note, so you would be always up to date. When you go in the setting page, you would see your name in tab. If you click on it, you would see the logout option and your account. After that, in personalization section, you have theme and languages. Paxalia support 8 handcrafted themes for free users and 8 custom themes for pro users. So as I said, I want you feel good in the app and have the peace. So you could choose between 8 handcrafted rich themes, or even create your own custom theme. After the themes we have languages, that currently we support 7 languages. So if you want to use the Paxalia in your own language, you have this option also. In the app section we have the updates that show you your current version, and if you are update or even release a new version with a complete release note, so you would be always up to date. After that we have the devices that let you know completely what devices are connected currently to your account. After that we have notifications. In this section you have your notifications from alarms or events, or even if from Paxalia something sent to you, a center hub for your notification. After that you have the plan that show your current plan and also redirect you to the site for upgrading or changing your plan. As I said, we care about users, so we have a section of import and export your data. You could export all of your data and have it with your own, and in any time when you want you could go back and import that data and have everything you have. We also have an optional signs that you could set it off or on. If you log in and you think you have some data that are not pushed to you from server, you could click on the pull all data and pull all your data from server to your own app. Setting page also have a lot of other features like our social medias or legals or website, web app, community sponsorship, blog, donation, and lot of other features that redirected to our site. These features show what capabilities Paxalia have so you know them completely. Off pages. When you first open the Paxalia, you would see minimal secure off pages as login, sign up, or if you enable the two-factor authentication in your dashboard from the site, you would see that also. You could visit the website, your dashboard security section to enable your two-factor authentication and also download your backup codes. So you would be always secure and backup. Paxalia is built and maintained by just one developer without any fund or sponsorship. It has this much features because I think users deserve them. Download Paxalia from the link in the description, create your first workspace, start your first timer, and track everything you want. Thank you for watching this video, and I would see you in the next updates.